Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you Deepbrain AI Video Generator, a tool that instantly converts any topic prompt, URL, PDF, blogs, articles, and PowerPoint presentation into engaging, pro-quality videos. First things first, let's start by navigating to the Deepbrain AI website. Just make sure to sign up for an account. Once we're logged in, we'll find ourselves on the dashboard. As we can see, there are a lot of features that we can use in Deepbrain AI. This is the text box where we can paste our blog or article content. We can also put a topic for TikTok, YouTube, or any social media video. Also, we can post URL like, for example, Amazon, Shopify, and we can also drag and drop any static files like PDF, Docs, and PPTX. Next is the quick start. As I mentioned earlier, we can see like the topic to video, article to video, and many more. Lastly is the template part, which provides Deepbrain AI. We can filter the template by clicking the All Use Case button, Education and Training, YouTube and TikTok, Business, and many more. So, let's try the topic to video. Just paste the topic in the text box and click Generate on AI Video button. Also, we can only paste not exceeding 100 characters. Then it will lead us here where we can edit the video, and in our case, it's per scene video. Now, we can go to the left side to see some feature. Let's go to Model. In here, we can choose a lot of different type of avatar AI. For example, in first scene, we will choose a boy avatar. In the upper part, we can choose whether it's a full body or a circular, and we can also apply it in all scene. Now, let's go to text. Here we can add a title, subtitle, and body text. In our case, we will not add anything. The next one is the caption. Here we can remove or download into SRT file. We can also edit the words in the text box. Next is the media, where we can add some images, videos, and audio. Next are the assets, where we can upload images, videos, audio, screen recordings, logos, and fonts from our files. Next is shape, where we can add shapes for designing. Lastly, this is where we can generate images or videos on whatever we provided the details in the text box. Let's go to the right side at the bottom part. As we can see, there's a ChatGPT logo where we can generate a topic. Next, changing the scene speed. Next is the gesture. In using gestures, we will click in any place in the text box where we want to place the gesture, then click the gesture icon, then choose any types of gesture. Next is adding some pauses. It's the same with the gesture. We will just click on any place in the text box and then click the pause icon, then choose the duration of the pause. Lastly, the dictionary, where we can adjust the pronunciation. We just highlight any words and then click the icon, then we can type the pronunciation that we like to change. By the way, we can also move the avatar, text, and image in the video in every scene. We can also add transition by clicking the 3 dots in every scene. Now, let's watch the preview by clicking the preview button at the upper right.
Ready to have your mind blown with facts? Let's dive into 10 facts that'll leave you amazed.
Did you know that if you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon?
Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Talk about being alien.
Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Mind twisted yet.
By the way, the avatar will be animated and not stay still. And there we have it, a quick guide on how to use Deepbrain AI, a tool that creates realistic generative AI videos from just a script. We hope that we help you. Start using Deepbrain AI with the link below and discover more AI secrets at aiforcehub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.